Hi and welcome to my very first video. So if you want to find out how I achieved these jumbo knotless box braids, stay tuned till the end. But first, subscribe and share. We need more of you guys. Alright, so let's get into it. Okay, so a section of a part of my hair, and this is the section I'm about to braid up. So make sure your parts are clean, but that's difficult when you're doing that on your own. So I firstly spray my hair with this Jabustone braiding spray. Really enjoy it on my scalp because it has this like tingling effect, and it makes me feel like it makes blood flow to my scalp and make my hair grow. So I follow up with this beeswax. So this helps to sleek my hair down, it helps to neaten my part, and it helps, the braid not have hair sticking out of it. Not exactly my favorite brand, but we'll get into that in another video. So I section my hair into 3 parts, and I start off by braiding just with my hair. And after about 3 turns, I introduce my hair extension. So this part isn't as clear, but you'll see in the next few seconds exactly how I place this hair extension. Right, so I place my hair extension right in between my pointing finger and my thumb. And then braid as usual. Now I continue this step, but now after every 1 turn I add more hair extension. So you continue adding more and more extension until you've reached your desired thickness. Yep, watch me struggle. The extensions will put up a fight, but don't give up. Don't give up. Now continue these steps all over your head, and then voila. And now for edges. So you grab a regular toothbrush and some gel. Apply your gel to your edges. This is the chance to grab all those small hairs that you didn't get while plaiting. Now brush those edges and design them however you like. Be creative. Not as easy as it seems. Here's the final look, and boy am I proud. So I am going to keep these in for about a week because it's really hard to stay that long with jumbo box braids because they get old really quickly, but I'm going to make sure I enjoy them. So if you enjoyed this video and would like to see how I maintain these box braids, kindly subscribe, leave a like and share. Bye.